Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. In today's video, we are making mini chocolate chip cookies or eggless chocolate chip cookies. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's mini chocolate chip cookies or eggless chocolate chip cookies. We have sugar here, which is 25 grams each. We have baking powder, baking soda and salt. Each is a quarter tablespoon. We have 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. We also have 1 tablespoon of milk, 75 grams of flour, and then 50 grams of butter. We'll be using a sieve, a cooling rack, jar for storage, a bowl for serving, Ziplock bag for storage, our silicone spatula, and then our baking tray and some parchment paper. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We'll pick up the bowl containing the butter and then we'll add in our sugar. Now with the spatula, we are going to cream both sugar and butter until a creamy mixture is obtained. At this point, we are going to add in our milk. Since this is an eggless recipe, the only thing that can bind all the ingredients together is the milk. So we add it in and then we mix. Now we are about to add in our flour, the baking powder, baking soda and salt. So we'll sift them using our sieve here, and then we'll add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Then we'll sift them in. The main reason why we sift our ingredients. We are going to combine everything together until a dough-like mixture is obtained. Now we are going to add in our chocolate chips. We save the rest for later addition and then we'll mix it in. And just like that, we've made our chocolate chip cookie dough. Now we are going to start scooping, rolling and then placing it onto our parchment paper covered baking sheet here. Now I'm going to pick some of the cookie dough. Then we roll it into a small ball like so. Shouldn't be perfect. And place it down. We are going to repeat this step. Fold it into a ball and then place it down. We'll do this till everything in here is finished. After rolling and making them into the balls, we are going to press down chocolate chips onto each piece with no format. You should have 30 to 32 pieces of cookie doughs after rolling and then making them into these balls. Now we are going to bake them at 160 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. This cookie has no chill time. I mean, freezing it is not necessary, so we are just going to bake straight away. After 8 to 10 minutes of baking, these are our mini chocolate chip cookies. So we are going to let them cool off for 5 minutes and then we transfer them from here onto our cooling rack here. Now we are going to serve them and also store them into our jug, our Ziplock bag, and then also serve into our bowl here. And this is how it looks like. This is how it looks behind and also in front. Now we are going to store the cookies. These cookies could be stored in 2 ways. So you could use either a jug or a Ziplock bag. And this is how it looks like when it is stored in the jar. Now we are going to cover it, and then you could store this in your fridge for up to 3 weeks or even a month, depending on the temperature your fridge uses and freezing ingredients placed in it. You could also store it in a Ziplock bag and then lock the ends. To break into one of the cookies. This is how it looks on the back, and this is how it looks in front. So we break into it, and just look at that. Try this recipe out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.